and the list goes on and on. It's quite extraordinary amount of information, and the course comes with a Discord room, which I'll get back to later. 5 reasons. Under the webinars section, then you've got spaces which are run every week. Have a look at those very, very regularly. All the tapes and so on and so on and so forth. All quite huge. It's absolutely huge. Okay, and then you move over to the Discord group, which is here. This is a very, very busy room. There's a thread room and there's, well, I can't think of it. So